This is the sixth step in setting up your new SMS-iT account. In this step, we'll send your first text message using the SMS-iT platform. To begin, go to the top of the platform and click on Quick Links, then select Send Text. This opens the Send Message pop-up, which allows you to send messages quickly from any page in the platform. In the pop-up, select the contact you want to send the message to. To send to a group or contacts with a tag, click on Group or Tag below the phone number field. Next, choose the number you want to send from using the Send From option. For message type, select Single to send a one-on-one message or choose Group or Tag to send a bulk message to an entire group or to contacts with a specific tag. Type your message in the text box provided. Below the box, you'll find options to add emojis. You can select any emoji you want. You also have an option to insert merge tags to personalize the message. Simply click on any of the personalization tags to use them, and they will be added to your message. You also have the option to use the Non-GSM character checker feature, which ensures that your message doesn't contain characters that may increase cost or reduce deliverability. To schedule your message for a later time, click the calendar icon next to the Send button. You can also enable AI prompt to use your AI persona as a co-pilot. This allows the AI to help you write a message that aligns with your brand tone and style. Once your message is ready, either manually written or AI generated, click Send. This completes the process of sending messages quickly using the Send Message pop-up, which is accessible from Quick Links, the Contact section, and various other areas across the platform. For more advanced texting features, click on Communication, then go to Text. Choose the number you want to send from using the Send Message From drop-down. Under Pick Receivers list, you can select groups, individual contacts, or tags. You can also choose Manual to enter multiple numbers separated by commas. Write your message in the text field and click Send. To confirm the message was delivered, go to Communication and click on Smart Inbox. You'll see the message you sent along with any replies. You can also verify message delivery by going to the home screen and clicking on Reports in the main navigation panel. This will take you to the Activity Logs section, where all inbound and outbound communication is tracked. Use the Log Type drop-down at the top right of the page to filter the type of messages you want to view. If someone replies to your message, you'll see the response in both the Report section and in a Smart Inbox. This concludes the process of sending your first text message using the SMS-iT platform. See you in the next tutorial.